Any tips for online dating and attracting conscious partners?
Yes, such a great one. I actually had a client, she attracted a divine partner with me coaching her. She was using the Tinder app. She hadn't dated for a couple of years. And her friends would make her get Tinder. They would just play around. She was a hairstylist in San Francisco, and they would play around and make a game of it. And then she would be like, I think I'm going to delete the app. I go, do you see what you're doing though? All of you are making a joke out of it. You're being playful and you're treating it like a joke. Your intentionality with anything is a tool. Have an intention with it. So I was like, set the intention that you're really wanting to attract a divine partner, that this is your intention. Even when I was younger, I don't go and hit on men. I'm not going to go and approach men. I might give them the eye and try to seduce them a little bit, right? But I'm not going to go and initiate and talk to them. A lot of times I wouldn't notice when other nice guys would be checking me out. My friends were like, oh, this person was staring. I would just be with blinders, totally oblivious. So who's talking to me? Who's talking to me? The players that are talking to anything that moves. So this is who I'm choosing from, the guys that are brave enough to talk to me that are probably just hollering at everyone. I was like, oh, then I recognize the pattern. I was like, this is why I'm dating players. So with the technology, I love it because I've actually met amazing people through this as well, is I can study them. Now I get to look, are they just always boozing it up and having a drink all the time? Are they just wearing sunglasses? I can't see eye contact with them or see into their eyes. What is the body language of other people around them? Someone I dated that is a beautiful soul and he checked on me today. I saw that when he was hanging around with a bunch of girls, they were all leaning on him and they like felt really safe with him. He was like a big brother to them. That is a different energy. I can tell looking at the energy and just having the intention. Make a list of the qualities you're looking. One, make a list of your top 5 values that you need to have in a partner. And then look at the traits you're wanting to have in a lover or a partner you're wanting to call in. And then you start to embody the feminine aspect of those traits or the masculine aspect of those traits. For men, you're not going to attract something that you're not. So you can't say, oh, I want someone that works out and has a six pack. And no. So if being physically fit, all those things are what you want, you also need to be doing that. Like be realistic with your expectation. And then just take your time, take it slow, have conversation and just see, do they know their childhood traumas? Are they doing their work? Are they self-aware? Where are they on their journey? Because we just have to look at it and see, are we aware of patterns we're having? Are we aware of our childhood wounds? And then just using it with intention and then discernment. Don't have those red flags turning orange just because they're hot or whatever. Be true to yourself and say on the first dates what you want. If you want kids and you want that, say it. Don't start wasting your time bonding with someone that's not even on their radar or what they want. Don't waste your time. Why? And as women, I think it's, oh, am I wifey material? Someone to pick me, or the Disney movies, the princess. I need to fit into the Cinderella slipper, Beauty and the Beast. Oh, he's an asshole and hasn't been working on his shit and he's a beast. But if I love him, that turns him into a prince. No, stop the madness.